Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel again. We are going for another adventure. It's not an adventure actually. We're going for a swimming adventure, I would say. So we are here in the main city of Cagayan still. So today is our third day of this area, and that will be our last day here for now. Then today evening we have to travel to Mindanao. So all my family members are here, and we need to go to the main road, then take a taxi and go to the beach. I'm just walking until the rest of the people comes. We just got down from the taxi. Now we have to go on the other way. Let's go. The beach is there. Let's go this way. So this is how the surrounding looks like. Oh wow, I can see the sea. Wow, that's a beautiful place. Look at this, guys. So my rest of the family members are staying here for now until the others come. Yeah. Wow, it's a really nice place. So once everyone comes, we have to pay entrance fee. That is, I think, around 20 peso. Then we can go inside, and yeah, this is how it looks like. I'm not sure exactly which place we have to go. I don't know if it is that place or it's just somewhere on here. I think it's here on the left side. So we'll just wait for the rest of the people. Alright guys, I'll see you after some time.
Let's go, baby.
We have to take this trolley also. Sister, how much for each person? 20, right?
Yeah, it's okay.
20 for
20 per head.
okay. So that is 20 per head, and how much for the house?
1,000.
1,000.
She will bring the change then.
So 1,000 for the house, and then we paid each 20 dirhams. Are more tourists coming in this place or no?
Yes.
More people
Yeah,
coming.
more people.
What is this beach name?
Algo Beach.
Algo Beach?
Algo Beach Resort. There. That one.
Okay. So is it open from morning until evening?
Until 10 p.m.
Until 10 p.m.
Yeah, 7
Alright.
a.m. to 10 p.m. only.
Okay. Alright.
We
Thank
don't
you.
have overnight, sir.
Oh, okay,
Yes.
okay. Are you working here a long time?
Yeah. No, it's 3 years.
3 years, huh?
Yeah.
How is it?
Right.
How's the business?
So far, it's okay.
Okay, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, thank you, sister. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, that is called Algo Beach. Oh, here you go. This is the name of the beach. And then we book a house. Yeah, same like this house. Here we book. Where is it? Okay, it's there actually. So that's a good one actually, including this house. And for the morning, how are you guys?
Morning.
Morning.
What's that? Is it live?
It is not live, but this is my YouTube channel.
Country, Indian?
I'm from Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka, you're Sri Lanka.
Yeah. How are you work here? You do business or?
Oh, they own the beach.
They own the beach. Wow, seriously? Not the government. They own. Not the government.
No. We're just friends. We're just friends.
Alright guys, see you. Huh? See you.
Okay.
Alright. So, Shan, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Shan is enjoying the beach. Come on, let's go. Hello. Hi. Come on, Shan, come. Come on. Come on here. Come. Let's go to the beach. Come on. So actually what happened is that the water looks very dirty, like a very mud kind of water here, and we can't swim here. So we are going to take back the money we paid, and then we are moving to another place. So we just entered and we realized that it's like full of brownish water, and then we cannot swim here. So we are moving to the next place.
Country.
Here, my wife. Let's see what she has to say about Philippines. Sean.
I love my country. That's it. Even how worst surrounded by us, I love my country. There are lots of problems, but my country is still good. The best, Philippines.
Alright guys, so for the first time I'm going to ride this jeepney. So since we are moving to another place, we are going to ride this jeepney, and because of me they also go in this jeepney because I really want to experience this. Oh, it's coming towards me. Alright, let's experience this. So. So I'm going to try this jeepney. Alright, let's go. Oh, yeah.
Mani, bastos ka! Naunsa na, kaduhan ang isa to, bugbugin ko kayong dalawa.
So, yeah, we are going by jeepney. So we are buying here. Alright guys, so we came to the place, the second place. So we're going to try here. So this is the entrance. All those bike parking, vehicles parking, all are here. And then from here we have to go by boat to the other side. That's what I understand.
I think we're gonna ride a boat.
This boat?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll go there.
Okay. So we are going to the other side. Wow, this is a nice place.
Nice.
Yeah, this is a very nice place. All natural here. Look at the roof that is made from that coconut leaves. And this is a bamboo tree, I think. Yeah, bamboo trees.
So 1,030.
And wow.
I know we're not going to ride a boat. We're gonna.
That's what I saw that, yeah. So yeah, we don't have to ride the boat actually. There's already a way to go to the other side. There's a small bridge walkway. Wow, so we are walking on this bamboo tree bridge. So this is all made by bamboo trees. We're just walking. Wow. It all looks natural. Everything is natural. So we are going to the other side of the beach actually. So this is the way to go to the other side. But first of all, we are going to see if this place is suitable actually, because you don't want to experience the same first place. Like we went there and then it was not a good place actually. So we are going just to see the second place first before we confirm. Give way. We still keep walking. It's almost 5 minutes. The bridge is that long. Oh, I think this place is good. Let's go a little bit more further and then we can see exactly whether it's really a good place or not. Oh, this is the end of the bridge. Wow. Oh, this place is super cool. This is really a good place. Yeah, I think we are going to swim here. This place is good, huh? It's good.
Yeah, this is only leaves from the.
Yeah, this place is fine. We have the house.
We can hide somewhere if it's hot, yeah?
This is perfect. Let's swim here.
Yeah, let's go.
Wow. So finally we confirm this place. I mean, we are going to confirm this place. This is a really good place. Okay, now we have to go back and inform to the rest of the members and then bring them here and we'll spend some good time here. Alright guys, I'll see you. Wow, this place is very cool. I love to spend more time in this area actually. It's a really cool and amazing place, very natural place. So guys, we booked one place, one house that is 1,000 dirhams. Sorry, why did I say 1,000 dirhams? It's 1,000 peso. And then For the ticket, I think 20 or 25 for adult. Entry fees of 20 peso for adult. So total we paid 1,480 pesos, and we are total like 11-12 members. So seems like very crowded, and this place is looks like famous. Like no people are here around. Okay, we'll move to the actual place then again. Let's go. So our house is number 13, so we have to go that way, and this is just number 2, so it's still more further. We have to go until number 13. Hey bro, is this for selling?
Yes.
Oh, later on maybe. You come there later on. This area is not suitable for swimming actually. But on the far away, this is connecting to the sea. So that's the place where we are going to swim. So this is where we booked our house. Wow, with wonderful view. So from one side there's a lake, but you can swim in this area just fine, and there's some boating, some activities going on, and from here it is connecting to the main sea. So this is where we are going to swim actually. So I think we are going to eat first, and then we will start swimming shortly. So all these guys are my family members here in the Philippines. All of these guys. Soon we are. Oh, you're sleepy. Soon we are going to get down to the water. I won't be able to take the videos because the camera that I'm using is having no waterproof case. So I won't be able to take videos while swimming, but somehow, yeah, I will take few videos after swimming. So Sean, are you going to swim? Huh? Let's swim. We are going to swim. So we are going to swim, and Sean is very happy. It's nice weather in this area. It's very cold, and we are feeling relaxed. Yeah, shortly we will go down. Until I see you, I have to stop from here. Okay guys, so we are already on the paddle boat. We're going for one round.
Okay. Hi vlog.
Hi guys. Behind is Jordan.
Yeah.
So he's the one who's paddling, and at the front we have money. Money same like cash money. And at the front my brother-in-law, one of my brother-in-law. So we are going for one round. Hey bro. Hey. Wow, this is a nice place.
Yeah, this is so very nice.
Yeah. So we are going between these two line of trees. It's kind of lake coming from the sea. Wow. And there are a lot of houses on the right side, on the left side, all over.
Okay.
And you can rent these houses, as I said before.
Hi guys.
He's paddling very hard. Hey bro, what's up? Yeah. Hi.
Hi guys.
How are you?
This is beautiful.
Yeah, very nice here. I like this.
You love this place?
Yeah, very much. I want to sleep here tonight.
Oh, really?
Yeah, inside the room too much hot. Here's okay.
You sleep here?
Yeah, I like here.
Oh,
Inside the room too much hot.
oh, yeah.
Come on, yeah.
Yan o, ikaw rin balat ako. Yan ako rin balat dito. Okay. Wala to, Noy. Para di mag-ulit.
Some kids are here on the trees. I think they are going to jump the water. Hi guys.
Hi.
How are you?
Bye.
Are you going to jump? You going to jump?
Yes.
This is very dangerous. Oh.
Wala to, Raymond, Noy.
It's very nice to swim here.
Huh?
It's very nice to swim here.
Yeah, it's very nice. So that small lake is connected to one of the bigger lakes. So we came until that place and now we are heading back to the same place where we were swimming. So we will go there. Oh, this place is really nice.
Kaya na, Noy. Kaya ka, Noy. Kaya sabuan din, Noy. Parang dito.
So we are going that way again. So we came from there and we are going back to the same way. Hey bro, how are you?
Okay. So yummy banana.
So yummy.
You eat it? Tagay ba? Ako ano yung saluyo? Can you wait?
Come, let's swim. We go there.
You eat it? We're not allowed there.
Not allowed?
Oh, banana.
You are swimming illegally.
You eat it?
Oh, you guys are very fast. How?
He's so strong. Running 60 meters per hour.
Oh, you only one person. That's why you're very unfair. We are four. Hello, Sri Lanka. Yeah. Hello. Come on, bro. Make it fast, fast.
Okay, parang
Bro, looks like Desi and all eating ice cream without giving to me. Yo, ice cream eh?
Ice cream! Hoy, tabagin mo ice cream, dali! Ice cream!
ice cream.
Hey! Hey, baka! Hoy, bumaling na pizza. Dali!
Hi guys.
Hi guys, yes, go ahead.
Hi guys, I'm so tired because it's CB.
So we are, what do you call for this?
Banana, I bed banana.
Banana
No, bed boat.
Bed boat?
Yeah.
I don't know. So
floating bed.
Okay, floating bed. Let's say floating bed. So we are on a floating bed now.
Water bed.
Huh?
Yeah.
Matagat eh. Matagat. Ano kayo dito? Sakay dito kayo.
It's very hot. Very hot. But the water is very cold.
Cold in the morning.
How's your experience?
Oh, it's very good.
Very good.
I'm enjoying.
You enjoyed it?
Yeah.
Are you tired?
No, I'm not. So we are almost done for today. We are almost end of the tour, and we enjoy a lot. So shortly we will be heading home. We spend a lot of time, hours and hours in this place, and it's almost evening already. So I will have to end the video in here for today. So until the next video, I have to say bye. Take care, guys. I will see you on my next video. Alright, bye bye. Take care.
Yeah.